With the bottom plate fixed in place, you can begin assembling the walls. Because you will have already sorted the profile into piles by wall, you'll be amazed at how quick the walls go up. Each wall has been pre-drilled with 20mm holes to allow for electrical cables and tie rods. You need to take note of each of these holes and ensure they line up with the board below as you stack each new board. If the board is assembled the wrong way around, then the holes may not line up and will prevent the tie rods or the cabling from being fed through. Once the boards have been hammered into place, they are really hard to separate. Please ensure that no wood chips or debris are left between the tongue and the groove on the boards. This will help ensure a good seal between the boards. Once you've positioned the wall board in place, you will need to hammer the board down to fit snugly onto the board below. To avoid damaging the tongue of the boards when hammering in place, we supply hammer blocks which are placed on top of the board to take the impact of the mallet. As well as notch junctions, you will have a connection called a clip joint, which is a plate to connect butt joints between two boards. The benefit of the clip joint connections is to allow for the wall to be continuous even when it's longer than 6 metres. The engineered design is very effective and simple to complete. You start by placing the tensioning tool arms into the pre-drilled holes either side of the butt joint. The tool is then tightened using a crescent, which pulls the arms together and compresses the joint. The tensioning tool remains in place until the clip joint plate is complete. Mastic is then applied to the butt joint and the clip joint plate placed on top of this. Depending on where the clip joint is, will determine what plate size to use. The clip joint plate is to be screwed into position, and once screwed you can loosen and remove the tensioning tool. If the clip joint is on an external wall, then a foam square is then required on top of the plate.